Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 21, framing algebraic expressions. Exercise 21 in that fourth question. If x equal to 4, evaluate first one 3x plus 8. You have to find the value of 3x plus 8 if x equal to 4. X in the value 4 വരുമ്പോൾ what is the value of 3x plus 8? So how can you find? Just substitute 4 in place of this x. 3x means 3 into x it is. So 3 into 4. X value you can give 4. Okay. Plus 8. Now we know BODMAS. First we have to do multiplication. 3 into 4 it is 12. 12 plus 8 you will get a 20. So 20 will be the answer. Okay. Second one, x square minus 2x. X value it is given 4. So you can write 4 square. X square it will be 4 square minus 2x. That means 2 into x value it is 4. Okay. So 4 square it is 16 minus 2 into 4 it is 8. 16 minus 8. 8 will be the answer. Now third one. X square by 2. So x value it is 4. So 4 square by 2. 4 square it is 16 by 2. 8 will be the answer. Fifth question. If m equal to 6, evaluate first one 5m minus 6. So value of 5m minus 6 if m equal to 6. M value is given 6. So what you will get? 5m. That is 5 into m value it is 6. 5m means 5 into m it is. Okay. M value it is given 6. So you can substitute 6 in place of m. 5 into 6 minus 6. 5 into 6 it is 30 minus 6. You will get a 24. Okay. Now second one 2m square plus 3m. 2m square. 2 into m square it is. So 2 into m square. M value it is 6. So 6 square plus 3m. 3 into m. So 3 into m value it is 6. Now 2 into 6 square. That is 2 into, first we have to find square. Then only we can multiply. 6 square it is 36 plus 3 into 6 it is 18. Now 2 into 36. What you will get? It is 72 plus this 18. So 72 plus 18. You will get a 90. You have to follow BODMAS here. First we have to do multiplication. Then only we can do addition. Okay. So 90 will be the answer. Third question. 2m whole square. 2m whole square. M value it is given 6. So you can write here 2 into 6 whole square. 2m means it is 2 into m. M value it is given 6. So you can write 2 into 6 whole square. 2 into 6 it is 12 whole square. Okay. 12 whole square. 12 into 12 it is 144. So this will be the answer. Now 6, 7 and 8 you can do as homework. Next, ninth question. If a equal to minus 10, evaluate first one 5a. Given a value it is minus 10. So what you will get? 5 into minus 10. In place of a you can substitute minus 10. 5a means 5 into a. Okay. But a value is given minus 10. So that will be 5 into minus 10. Now we know that 5. Simply 5 means it is positive. Positive into negative it is negative. 5 into 10, 50. So minus 50 will be the answer. Now in that second one, a square. So a value it is given minus 10. So you have to find minus 10 whole square. In place of a you can substitute minus 10. So minus 10 whole square. Minus 10 whole square means minus 10 into minus 10. Negative into negative it is positive. 10 into 10 it is 100. So positive 100 or simply 100 will be the answer. Okay. In that third one, a cube. So the value of a is given minus 10. So minus 10 whole cube you have to find. Minus 10 whole cube means minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Minus 10 you have to multiply it 3 times. Okay. Now we know negative into negative it is positive. Negative into negative we will get positive. So this much we got positive. Next positive into this negative. Positive into negative we will get a negative. So the final answer will be negative. Negative into negative positive. Positive into negative negative. 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 it is 1000. So minus 1000 will be the answer. Okay. In that 10th question, if x equal to minus 6, x value is given minus 6, you have to evaluate first one 11x. 11x means 11 into x. Okay. So 11 into x value it is given minus 6. 11 into minus 6, that is 11 means it is positive 11. Positive into negative it is negative. 11 into 6 it is 66. So minus 66 will be the answer. Okay. Second one 4x square. 4x square. This square is for x only. Okay. 4x square it is 4 into x square. We can split like this 4 into x square 4x square. Now we can give x value. X value is given minus 6, that is 4 into minus 6 whole square. Okay. So 4 into minus 6 whole square means minus 6 into minus 6. Negative into negative it is positive. 6 into 6 it is 36. Positive 36 or simply 36 will be minus 6 whole square. Okay. Now we can multiply 4 into 36. So 36 into 4 you will get 144. So that will be the answer. In that third one 2x cube. 2x cube we can write like this 2 into x cube. Okay. Giving x value. X value is given minus 6. So that we can substitute here 2 into minus 6 whole cube. This cube is for x value. So minus 6 is the value of x. Minus 6 whole cube you have to find first. Okay. X cube എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂവിനെ എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂവിനെയാണ് ക്യൂബ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ minus 6 whole cube. First you have to find that, then only you can do multiplication. Okay. So minus 6 whole cube. It is minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Minus 6 you multiply it 3 times. Now we know 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6 36. 36 into 6 it is 216. Now what will be the final sign? Negative into negative it is positive. Positive into negative negative. So negative 216 will be minus 6 whole cube. Minus 6 whole cube in the answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് minus 216 ആയിരിക്കും. Negative into negative negative. I mean positive. Positive into negative it is negative. 6 into 6 into 6 it is 216. Okay. So 2 into negative 216. Now 2 means simply 2 means it is positive 2. Positive into negative, it is negative. 2 into 216. 216 into 2. What you will get? It is 432. So minus 432 will be the final answer. Okay. 11th question you can do as homework, and 12th question not needed. Okay. You will study about that in the next chapter, solving simple equations, that one. Okay. Now 13th question. If A equal to 5 and B equal to 6, evaluate. In that first one, 3AB. So value of A is given, A equal to 5, and B is given 6, B equal to 6. You have to find 3AB. What is the value of 3AB? So just substitute the value for A and B. 3AB means 3 into A into B it is. Okay, that is 3 into A value it is 5 into B value it is 6. 3 into 5 into 6. So 6 into 5 30, 30 into 3 it is 90. 90 will be the answer. Okay. Second one, 6A square B. 6A square B means 6 into A square into B. Okay. Now 6 into A value it is 5. So A square is given. So 5 square into B value it is 6. Okay. That is 6 into 5 square it is 25 into 6. Now find this value. 6 into 6 it is 36. 36 into 25. You have to find the answer. You will get 900. So 900 will be the answer. Okay. In that third one, 2B square. So 2B square means 2 into B square. Okay. B value it is given 6. Okay. So that you can substitute here. 2 into it will be 6 square. That is equal to 2 into 6 square it is 36. Now what is 2 into 36? It is 72. So 72 will be the answer. Next 14th one. If x equal to 8 and y equal to 2. X is given 8 and y is given 2. First one, you have to find the value of 9xy. That means 9xy means 9 into x into y. Now give the values of x and y. What you will get? 9 into x is 8 into y is 2. 9 into 8, 72. 72 into 2 you will get 144. So that will be the answer. Okay. Second one, 5x square y. 5x square y. That means 5 into x square into y, which is equal to 5 into x value it is 8. X square is there, so 8 square into y value it is 2. Now 5 into 8 square it is 64 into 2. Okay, 5 into 2 10. 10 into 64 it is 640 will be the answer. Now in that third one, 4y whole square. So in place of y you can substitute 2. Y value it is 2. That is 4 into 2 whole square it will be. Okay. 4 into 2 it is 8. 8 is 8 square. 8 square it is 8 into 8 you will get a 64. So 64 will be the answer. Next 15th question. If x equal to 5, x value is given 5 and y value it is given 4. You have to evaluate first one 8xy. 8xy means it is 8 into x into y. Now give the values for x and y. That is 8 into x it is 5, y it is 4. 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 4 you will get 160. So this will be the answer. second one, 3x square y. 3x square y means 3 into x square into y. 3 into x value is given 5 and y value 4. So that values you can give here. X square will be 5 square into y, it is 4. Okay. So first you have to find the square of 5 square. 3 into 5 square, it is 25 into 4. Now here 25 into 4, it is 100. 100 into 3, you will get a 300. 300 will be the answer. Okay. Now in that third one, 3y square. 3y square. That is 3 into y square. So 3 into y value, it is given 4. Y square nu parayumbo, you can write it as 4 square. Okay. So 3 into 4 square equal to 3 into 4 square. 4 into 4, it is 16. 3 into 16, you will get a 48. So this will be the answer. Okay. Do the 16th one, 17th one and 18th one as homework. In that 19th question, if a equal to minus 10, a value it is given minus 10, evaluate. First one, 3a minus 2. You have to find the value of 3a minus 2 if a equal to minus 10. So in order to find the value of this expression, just substitute value for a. 3a, that is 3 into a. 3 into a value is given minus 10. 3 into minus 10 minus 2. Okay. And we know about BODMAS. First we have to do multiplication, then only we can do subtraction. 3 into minus 10. That means positive 3 into minus 10. Positive into negative, it is negative. 3 into 10, it is 30. So minus 30 will be the answer here. Minus 30 minus 2. We have to subtract. So minus 30 minus 2. You know how to do the subtraction. This minus sign will become positive. Change the sign of next number. Minus 30 plus minus 2. Addition of two negative numbers it is. Okay. So what you will get? 30 plus 2, 32. Then put negative sign. Minus 32 will be the answer. Always remember, negative, if it is addition, you can addition of two negative numbers. Then just add the two numbers and then put minus sign. രണ്ട് നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ അഡീഷൻ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ ഇട്ടാൽ മതി. നെഗറ്റീവ് പ്ലസ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നെഗറ്റീവ്. ബട്ട് ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ, നെഗറ്റീവ് 30 ഇൻറ്റു നെഗറ്റീവ് 2 എന്നാണെങ്കിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റു നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. ഇവിടെ അഡീഷൻ ആണ്, ഇവിടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഡിഫറൻസ്. Addition of two negative numbers, you will get a negative number. Multiplication of two negative numbers, you will get a positive number. Negative into negative, it is positive. 30 into 2, it is 60. Negative 60 will be the answer. Okay, don't change this. So minus 32 will be the answer here. Now in that second one, a square plus 8a. Just substitute the value for a. It is given minus 10. A square will be minus 10 square. Minus 10 whole square. Plus 8a. That means 8 into a. 8 into a value, it is minus 10. Now finding this value. Minus 10 whole square. Minus 10 into minus 10. Negative into negative, it is positive. 10 into 10, it is 100. So positive 100. Minus 10 whole square, it will be positive 100 or simply 100. Plus 8 into minus 10. Positive 8 into negative 10. Positive into negative, it is negative. 8 into 10, it is 80. So 100 plus minus 80. We know how to add a negative number and a positive number. First do the subtraction. 100 minus 80, it is 20. Put the sign of greater integer. Here greater number is 100, its sign is positive. So this will be positive 20 or simply 20. So this will be the answer. Okay. Third one. 1 by 5 into a square. So giving the value for a, what you will get? 1 by 5 into a value, it is minus 10. Minus 10 square. Now first let us find the square. 1 by 5 into minus 10 whole square. We find here minus 10 into minus 10, it is positive 100. Okay. 100 here. Minus 10 whole square is 100. 1 by 5 into 100. Now multiplication of a fraction. Two fractional number, you know. 100 means it is 100 by 1. So 1 into 100, 100 by 5 into 1, 5. 100 divided by 5, it is 20. So 20 will be the answer. Okay. 20th question. If x equal to minus 6, x value is given minus 6, evaluate first one 4x minus 9. Giving value 4x, what you will get? 4 into minus 6 minus 9. 4 into minus 6, positive 4 into negative 6. Positive into negative, it is negative. 4 into 6, it is 24. So minus 24 minus 9. So minus 24 minus 9. This minus you can change that to plus. Change the sign of next number. Minus 24 plus minus 9. So 24 plus 9. It is 33. Negative. Two negative numbers addition. So put negative sign in the answer. Negative 33. So that will be the answer. Okay. In that second question, 3x square plus 8x. So giving value for x equal to minus 6. So that we can give here 3 into x square. It will be minus 6 square. Okay. X value, it is minus 6. So here square is for x. X nu maatrana ivide square ulladu. So minus 6 you can raise to the power 2, or you can square. Take the square of minus 6 plus 8x. That means 8 into x. X value, it is minus 6. Okay. So here before doing multiplication we have to take this. We have to find the square. 3 into minus 6 whole square, that is minus 6 into minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 6. Negative into negative, it is positive. 6 into 6, 36. Positive 36. Okay, or you can simply write 36. Plus 8 into minus 6. That you can multiply. 8 into minus 6. Positive into negative, it is negative. 8 into 6, it is 48. Okay. Now we can find this multiplication. 3 into 36. What you will get? 36 into 3, it is 108. 108 plus minus 48. So what you will get? 108 plus minus 48. Positive number and negative number addition. So first we have to subtract 108 minus 48. You will get us 60. Greater number is 108. Its sign is positive. So the answer will be positive 60. Okay. In that third one, x square by 2. So giving the value for x, what you will get? X, it is minus 6 square by 2. Minus 6 whole square, we find it 36. Okay, 36 by 2. It is 18. 18 will be the answer. Okay, now 21. If m equal to minus 8, evaluate First one, 2m plus 21. M value is given minus 8. You have to find the value of 2m plus 21. So just give the value for m. 2m, 2 into m. 2 into m value, it is minus 8 plus 21. Okay. So first doing multiplication, 2 into minus 8, that is positive 2 into minus 8. Positive into negative, it is negative 2 into 8, 16. So negative 16 plus 21. Okay. So first we have to do subtraction, addition of a negative number and a positive number. So doing subtraction, what you will get? 21 minus 16, 5. Greater number is 21. Its sign is positive. So the answer will be positive 5. Okay. In that second one, m square plus 9m. So giving value for m. M square means minus 8 square. M value, it is minus 8. So minus 8 square plus 9m. That means 9 into m. 9 into m value, it is minus 8. Now minus 8 square. That is minus 8 into minus 8. Negative into negative, positive. 8 into 8, 64. So positive 64 or simply 64. Plus 9 into minus 8. That is positive 9 into minus 8. Positive into negative, it is negative. 9 into 8, 72. 64 plus 72 minus 72. So first doing subtraction, 72 minus 64, you will get 8. Okay. Now greater number is 72. Its sign is negative. So put negative sign in the answer. So minus 8 will be the answer. 64 plus minus 72 is minus 8. Okay. That third one, m square by 4. So m, it is given minus 8. Minus 8 square by 4. Minus 8 square, we find it positive 64. Minus 8 into minus 8, it is positive 64 by 4. 64 by 4 divided by 4. On dividing, you will get a 16 answer. Okay. Do the 22nd and 23rd question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.